Just check on it. Check on it. Because you're not going to get nothing from that bank account. Nada from the bank account. While you got your bank account right now, let's put your bank account in this one hand. Set up an Acorns account, Robinhood account. I got the Robinhood account right in the link. That's for a free share. Set up one of those accounts, invest, heavy week. Say when you put money in your account, without however much money you put in your account, if it's $50, cut it down the middle. If it's $25, cut it down the middle. $12.50 here, $12.50 here. All right? And let's see which one grows. Just check on it. Check on it. Because you're not going to get nothing from that bank account. Nada from the bank account. What's going on today, people? Bam Lit, Ghetto Investor. Like, comment, and subscribe. I want to talk today about investing. What I need everybody to do, right? I need everybody to do their own homework. Do your own due diligence. All right? Do your own homework. Okay? I want you to look up something called the S&P 500, which is the top 500 largest company in the United States, baby. I want y'all to stay away from the banks. I want y'all to let y'all money move as a trend with the economy. As the economy grow, your money grow. I want you to get a rate of return. I want you to stop cheating yourself. I want you to do the things you like to do so you can prepare and build a whole foundation for your damn family. I want you to win. I'm tired of losers. You tired of losers, and you probably don't even know that you a loser. Right now is the time for you to change. Right now is the time for you to change. Right now is the time for you to do some homework. Go in the mirror and attack yourself and understand that it's your fault why you at where you at. You could save $5 a day. $5 a day. $5 a day. Okay? And win. You could save $150 a month. And win. And win. I mean, become a millionaire. A millionaire within 40 years, 30 years. Now, I said $5 a day. Now, the more money you put in, the more you get out of it. I said $5 a day. $150 a month. You understand what I'm telling you? Easy, breezy, beautiful cover girl. Easy, breezy, beautiful cover girl, damn it. Do you hear me? It's a win-win situation. The only way your ass is going to lose, everybody in the goddamn United States living on the streets. Do you see the government letting that happen? You better join the winners. It's just that easy. You don't gotta take my word for it. Do your own due diligence, do your own homework. Matter of fact, I got one better for you. While you got your bank account right now, let's put your bank account in this one hand. Set up an Acorns account, Robinhood account. I got the Robinhood account right there down in the link. That's for a free share. Set up one of those accounts, invest, heavy week. Say when you put money in your account, just without however much money you put in your account, if it's $50, cut it down the middle. If it's $25, cut it down the middle. $12.50 here, $12.50 here. All right? And let's see which one grows. Check on it. Because you're not going to get nothing from that bank account. Nada from the bank account. So I advise y'all to wake up and smell of coffee and start investing in y'all future so your kids and your kids and your kids' kids could be right. It start from somewhere. You got to change. You got to change. Just start from somewhere. You plant something, you get something. You plant nothing, you get nothing. And that's how this game go. Now you can sit back and work for the system all you want. But I'll tell you this. You better be saving some of that paper. You better be saving some of that money. Definitely United States of America, we getting too much money. We getting too much money. Homeless people getting money. You better be saving some of that money. Because how you going to market yourself? Money. How you going to promote yourself? Money. Money is like air. Don't let nobody sit there and tell you, oh, money is and everything. And damn there is. Damn it. Without no money, you can't do shit. Without no money, you can't do nothing. What are you going to do? You got to start investing in your future. You got to bet on yourself. It's not about how much money you make. It's about the information you have to know how to keep the money, to know how to make the money grow. And know how to turn little bits of money into money machines so they can grow for you. So you don't gotta work hard later. You're not supposed to work hard. I mean, super hard. Like, we're just gonna be doing 4 jobs when we get older, huh? Because we don't want to prepare. Because we don't want to prepare. Some of y'all out there really need to look yourself in the mirror and understand that you are playing a defensive game. You're not playing no offense. Since we were born to do what everybody tell us to do, right? Right? Now, who's to say those things that was told for us to do was the right thing? The reason why I go to say that is, if it was the right thing, why the hell is it 95% everybody losing and only 5% winners? That mean the pattern that was taught, the formula that was taught, was a defensive pattern. It might be damn near stupid, but I don't want to say that. I don't want to say that. But it might have been damn near stupid. Everybody that still want to live that dinosaur living, it's a new day and age, baby. Cut that out. Cut that out. Get in front and use your phone to his advantage. Better get your ass on Google. Get on Google and learn how to do something. Real talk. Investing. You have to invest. I'm telling you, you have to invest. I'm telling you, you have to invest. Your 401k, your retirement fund, yeah, that's investing. Some of y'all is investing in that shit, and y'all don't even know what y'all investing in. Y'all don't even know ETFs they got you in, what index funds they got you in. What stocks, the individual stocks they got you invested in? 9 times out of 10, they not doing that, but still, check. You don't even care. Some of you got it and not even put no money in it. Nothing. What? I mean, I'm trying to figure this out. Yo, do me a favor, people. Hell with me. Yourself a favor. Save some money. Study, learn how to invest the money. If you need help, you reach out. If you need help, speak. Let's stop the pride shit. Because a lot of y'all is messed up right now due to pride and ego. We don't care about that. It's over for that. Stop it. Because you're killing your damn self. Okay? Winners are out here running up, winning. Winners win. I told you, winners are attracted to winners. Losers are attracted to winners. It's more to life than bullshit. If you out here just spending money just to spend money, think about it. Every time you go buy a pair, if that's what you like to do, then that's what you like to do. I would never tell you to do it. Like if you like to buy sneakers, you buy a pair of sneakers one week, you buy stocks the next week. You buy a pair of sneakers the next week, you buy stocks and then balance yourself out. Don't just be a loser. Like sneakers, 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 sneakers. You a loser. You a loser. Okay? And the people around you, that circle, group of losers, because you're only as good as the 5 people around you. Your friends, the people that you in that damn party with, having a good time. Bums too. Bums too. Yeah, I know. You don't gotta tell me nothing. I don't even listen to people no more. You can watch movements. The movements is nasty. It's nasty. It's nasty. Get it together. Get it together. I'm able to do the things I like to do because I planted those seeds earlier. So I try to tell all the youngins, plant those seeds. How you scared to invest? How you scared to invest? We from the concrete jungle. How you scared to invest? Follow the money. Buffett got millions and billions of dollars in these. Robbins, all of these guys. Mark Cuban. How many people want me to name? There's a bunch of these guys. Study them. Learn something different. Stop watching reality TV. It's messing you up. We gotta come together as people and understand that investing is not a bad thing. It's in our favor to win. It's in our favor to win. The stock market dropped right now. The government get together and they speak about putting it back up immediately. Immediately. Y'all better start putting, I don't care what it is, put something small just to study, just so you can study, you can understand. Investing is your friend. It's not your enemy. A lot of you people look at investing like it's your enemy. It's not your enemy. It's your friend. It's your biggest friend. What the hell you see all these stores and everybody just living on the streets at? That's chaos. If that's the case, nobody don't give a damn about no stocks or no money no more, right? So when you see everybody on the damn ground at and just, well, I don't understand it. What are you afraid of? What are you afraid of? If you're not trading, that's the only thing you should be afraid of. Trying to treat the stock market like a casino. You got to know how to get busy. I learned how to trade options. I learned how to trade stocks. That take time. I lost $7,000 to learn how to do that. It's obvious. You're going to let somebody teach you or you're going to let the market teach you. I let the market teach me first and then I went and got a little teaching. As far as trading. But investing, anybody could do that. Anybody can put some money in Facebook. Anybody can put some money in Apple. You get an investment account and you put money in it. Like I said, there's a link right there down in the description. You hit that link, you get a free share stock. Your first free share. You just became an investor for the first time in your life. Voila. Just keep it going. Your first step is always going to be the big step. Because once you take that first step, you keep going. You might run into a brick wall. That's supposed to happen. It's called a trend for a reason. You go up, you go back down, boom, you hit a trend, you hit the brick wall, you learn. You learn. You learn, you might get aggravated till you get through it. Then it go up again. Then you hit another one. That's part of the game. That's part of the game. You treat your L's as lessons. That's part of the game. I'm not telling you go take out loans and go get something that you can't afford or go get into something that you can't manage. I'm telling you to do something simple. Something that you can sit there and watch yourself and be happy of your investments. Be happy that you're a part owner of these companies. Be happy that you got a small fraction of a share. Your owner. They hit you up for meetings, everything. You're an owner now. Be proud of yourself. Something to pass down to your kids. Instead of being a burden on your kids. Like letting your kids grow older, hoping for the best for them, like hoping that they win. What you should have showed them, you should have been there to show them all the success tricks. Should have a book where you got a bunch of things written down in it. You see it? You see it? Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna show you no more of that. You need to get your own. That's what this is about. I told you already. I study all day, I get blazed, and I start bugging. When I say I start bugging, I might be a comedian. I might want to be super woke. I might want to give you something to relate with, a reminisce. It might be a reminisce, something that happened in the past, and I'll bring it up. You might can relate to it. It's experience. It's people that's older than me. It happens all the time. It's part of the game. But you should always be advancing spiritually, physically, your emotions. Everything should be growth. You should be growing something every day. Every day. Life is about decision making. You gotta make right decisions. Try to lead yourself in the right way to make the right decisions. The only way you do that is fault find yourself. Sit there and know your wrongs. And if you know it's wrong, God damn it, it's wrong. Fix it. Invest in your future. Invest in your future, people. Please. Please, please. Because I'm not really worrying about the dinosaurs. I'm not really worrying about the older heads. I'm very, very worried about the children. Very worried about them. There's too much going on right now and not enough learning, not enough education. They don't even teach about investing in regular school. You got to pay some money for that. And you got to go into learning in finance. I learned about financial literacy. This is something I went and took courses and went to school for. So if I went and bust my for other people, right? For other people, because I did it for myself. But you see, I'm teaching it because I want everybody to win. I wasn't selfish. I'm telling you, a lot of things be telling me I be getting a lot of push to go to the selfish route. But I just can't do it. There's too many people in need of this information that need to know about investing and how easy it is. It's not hard. It's your friend. It's not your enemy. You gonna win off rip. Bank account on this side, investment bank on this side, Ameritrade, E-Trade, Scottrade, Fidelity, Robinhood in the description, Acorns, Stash, M1, Finance. How many of them you want me to name? Jump in one of these guys and buy some shares up. Win-win situation for you. Mark my words. But still study. It's the Ghetto Man. Bam lit. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video so people can see this. Yeah.